So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-light mode sa ating Roblox app. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Roblox app or Roblox account. Then after nyan guys, mula dito sa pinakang homepage ng ating Roblox, itap nyo lang yung more na nandito sa lower right side. And automatic mapupunta tayo sa pinakang more settings. Then after nyan, i-scroll up lang natin and hanapin nyo dito yung settings, then tap lang natin. And then after nyan, dito naman sa settings, itap nyo naman dito is yung account info or yung account information. So tap lang natin. And then dito sa account info, i-scroll up lang natin guys. So stop tayo dito sa may team. And kung makikita nyo guys, merong dark sa baba, itap natin yung dark. And then may lalabas na options dito. So dito na natin pwedeng i-light mode yung ating Roblox since ito ay naka-dark mode. So tatap lang natin yung light. And kung makikita nyo guys, naging light mode na at naging mas maliwanag na yung ating Roblox app. So ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-light mode sa ating Roblox app. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.